Hello Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 12th of May. Let's see what's in your messages today, Gemini. Oh, okay, the Emperor fell out. All right, I'm going to put it back in though because I was shuffling. I didn't select a card, but keep that in mind. I'm getting something about the Emperor. All right, let's go. First card out is a Knight of Wands. So I'm getting you're dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now somebody might be traveling to come see you. All right, I'm getting someone's very excited. I don't know, I'm getting you're driving fast and you're driving along to come and see somebody. Now, anytime I see the Knight of Wands, that means, yeah, they're going to see you. They might come bringing gifts, but ultimately somebody want to have sex with you. Now, we don't know if somebody want to have sex with you and stay the night, or somebody wants to have sex with you and go back in their car and leave. But the Knight of Pentacles is, the Knight of Wands is usually having a good time, in and out. It's not really committable. We have the Emperor. I guess when the Emperor wants to show up, he's going to show up regardless if he dropped out of the deck or not. Hi, Emperor. We just pulled you, we put you back, we shuffle again, and you came right back out. Hello. So we're getting the Emperor. No, the Emperor might be in the way of the Knight of Wands. So this could be either two people trying to, you know, get your attention. Now, knowing emperors, sometimes them have the personality of, if you don't want to deal with their shit, you can't deal with nobody else. You're not with them, but them want to be with you. But them blocking people from helping you, them blocking people from dating you, them blocking people from giving to you because them want you to beg them. And I said this on my channel a lot of times. We do not care if you are an emperor. We will tell you for fuck off and go suck out your big pussy mother. We not take blood clot shots. We not take orders. And we not take blood clot intimidation from nobody. Continuing the reading. So I'm getting you want to go and see somebody, but this man is stopping you. The Emperor. I'm not sure if it's your father, but obviously somebody who's well known and very influential. We have the Queen of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting somebody standing in between you and this woman who you want to see. It could be her father or your father. Me getting the Emperor. Because me getting the Knight of Wands, the Emperor, and then me getting Queen of Wands. Now this could be maybe you want to rekindle a relationship with somebody after you have built your empire. Me getting you work your ass off, you know, you have a company, it's doing well, and me getting you want to go back to this woman who you used to be with and probably offer her everything that you couldn't. We have the King of... Ooh. Another one. We have King and Queen. So I'm getting them trying to block you. The Emperor is blocking you because them want either them daughter or the Emperor is protecting this relationship. We have King and Queen. These people are supposed to be together. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, men. I'm getting man and woman. I'm getting husband and wife, King and Queen. I'm getting the King and Queen is here. The Emperor is watching them while you're on your way. So the Knight turns into the King, or maybe somebody's father or somebody who is standing in the way. Somebody could be in military. I'm getting them saying, oh no, you cannot date this person until you become a king. No, it's either you have become a king or you're a Knight of Wands. And somebody believe that somebody can only date kings. Yeah, but it's not every king nice. We have King, Queen, and Emperor. If this is like back in the days where you only have to pair, you have to marry off your daughter to a king. That's the only way. Now the king can rape your daughter, the king can behead your daughter, and sometimes if the king is really upset with your daughter, he will go after the daughter's father neck, like in Game of Thrones, right? But me getting you saying, no, she don't want to marry him. No, she don't want to be with him. No, me can't treat her better. No. One more, the Ace of Wands. A lot of wands here. This is for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. Or me getting you trying to hurry up and meet somebody before two people have sex. Because Queen of Wands, she have a 1. King of Wands, he has a 1. Here's the Ace of Wands. Unless somebody's trying to block you out because they need this Queen and King to have a baby. Meaning somebody want you to have a baby and someone's like, yes, I want this king and this queen to have a baby. Again, I don't know if this is your father or some type of big figure in your life. But me getting there's a Knight of Wands here that's being blocked. They want to come in. Maybe they want to reconnect with the queen. But me getting the queen is being paired with a king. Someone saying it's better that way. The magic is more potent that way. Maybe the Knight of Wands is not committable. The Knight of Wands is only here for a good time and not a long time. Maybe the Knight of Wands is not willing to provide for the Emperor's daughter. So I'm going to get a king to do it. Let's clarify. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Four of Pentacles. Yeah. I'm getting the Knight of Wands don't have much. But you're rather a man with $1 million who only give you $10, or a man with 100,000 that will give you 10,000. Because that's what I'm getting from the Knight. I'm getting him don't have much, but him willing to give you everything him have. The King, on the other hand, I haven't clarified it yet, but I'm just saying, to me, a man's sacrifice it would mean if him had $10,000. And him give me $5,000 out of that. To me, that's a more giving and kind man than a king who had 100,000 but only gave me $10. You get what I mean? The king might have more money, but he's not empathetic towards his queen. The Knight of Wands will give you everything, even though them don't have much. So it's either somebody want to marry you off to a man for status, and them don't give a fuck how the man treat you behind closed doors, because them don't want you marry a knight who will give you everything. This sounds like a handlership. Me getting the Knight of Wands where make you do what you want though. The King of Wands might keep you in place. The Emperor is clarified by the Six of... Yeah, me getting the Emperor is well known. Everybody know him. So he's a popular person. I don't know if he's an artist. I don't know if he's a police officer. I don't know if he's a sergeant. But me getting everybody know him. Yeah, but everybody know you. That have nothing to do with the pussy of your daughter. That are not for blood clot do with you. Nothing. Nothing at all. If you were an actual emperor, you would have give your daughter everything she want and she wouldn't have to marry a man. To be honest. So I'm getting you saying because I'm an emperor, because people know me, I have to be the one to make sure that this Queen of Wands is dating the right person. That I'm nothing for blood clot do with you. Unless the man you're marrying her to is an employee of yours. Or again, yeah, do it for contract. You want this, you want your daughter, or you want this woman fuck this man or be with this man because you want contract. So yeah, use your daughter pussy for getting contracts. Anyways, Queen of Wands is clarified by the King of Cups. Yeah, come getting it, your daughter wants somebody sweet, kind, gentle, somebody who will play with her hair, play with her, somebody who will give her back rubs, belly rubs, ass rubs, breast rubs, somebody who will kiss her from her head to her toe. But me getting you're not into that. You're into status. And who see you to be. And what, did you see the emperor's daughter? Did you see the emperor's son? How could he marry a peasant? How could he your business about who them marry a status? Well, yeah, you're the emperor, so you're very materialistic. Or your business about how your fucking daughter or son is being treated. The King of Wands is clarified by the Page of... Because I'm getting somebody immature. You see? The Knight of Wands have less money, but them willing to give you everything. The King of Wands have the Page of Pentacles, which is not a lot of money. That means somebody have a lot of credit cards. Then they have real cash. Now, if you're for going on them bank account, I'm getting them can't spend that. Yeah, but the king is telling you that him not gonna get no money because they need to reinvest money in order to grow. The Knight of Wands, I give you everything. Him on his knees, giving it to you. Him said, take everything you want. Take it, just take it. This look like the fucking Mariah Carey music video when Mariah Carey was supposed to be marrying that rich old man. And fucking Hainsworth. Hainsworth him name? I don't remember what the fuck him name. But him decide to go fucking crash the fucking wedding and Mariah Carey ran off with the younger guy. Right? You remember? When you left, I lost a part of me, and it's still so hard to believe. Come back. You remember that music video when Mariah Carey have this big wedding, and everybody show up, and she was supposed to marry this man, and she walked down the aisle. What that guy name? Prison Break. Him come from Prison Break. I didn't even know him was gay. We lost another fucking attractive soldier. What him name? Him name Wentworth. Wentworth Miller. When Wentworth Miller crashed the fucking wedding, and Mariah Carey left the fucking man at the altar with a big cathedral and run off with the young guy. It's giving that. One more. Ace of Wands is clarified by the 5 of Swords. Yep. I'm getting someone's either going to be left at the altar or somebody need to reevaluate what them doing before you get married. Cause me getting this queen will leave your ass. And even though the emperor, which may be the queen's father, even though he's saying, you better marry this person, she want queen, she can say, no. I'm the queen. I will not stand for this. No. My father can buy your father. Do you know who my father is? I have a nip slip, wait. Do you know who my father is? My father can buy your father. She's a queen. She still can be spoiled. She still can't fuck on her husband. Where you gonna do? Her father is the fucking emperor. Where you gonna do? Unless your father gave your king permission to beat your ass. Well, you're a queen. Beat back him blood clot. You think if him lick you, lick him blood clot back. And lick him back harder. And if you have a weapon, lick him back with it too. You're a blood clot queen. You're not below no king. Your father is an emperor. That means even though you're a female, even though you're a queen, you have the emperor embodiment. That don't mean you're supposed to be submissive to a man. Your father is an emperor. Your father got it fucked up. Perhaps your father never married. He never had an empress. Let's go. We have mental health. Come getting somebody supposed to handle you. And the king have the Page of Pentacles, and him a tell us say him can't give you no money, him have to reinvest the money in the business. Okay, but the Knight of Wands that give you everything that him don't have. You remember the saying that you left me for a man who was richer than me. He like they said, he had 100, I had 10. He gave you half of what he had, but I gave you all of what I had. Yeah, the man who have $10 in your pocket, but him give you the whole 10. Him love you more than the man who had $100, but him give you 50. You for know that. And I'm just saying, you're a queen. Does it really matter if you're there with a man who's that poor? You're gonna make money anyways. Your father want you marry a rich man. Your emperor want you marry a rich man. You're a queen. You're gonna be rich too. You can marry a peasant. We have Taurus. Someone's a Taurus. We have evil. We're getting somebody and marry off them daughter for contracts. We have somebody's marrying off them daughter for contracts. We're getting that soul going to be left at the fucking altar with that big cathedral. And if Celine Dion was there to sing, we will wait until Celine Dion sing and then we're going to blood clot. Somebody going to run off. Because somebody father or an emperor is telling a king what for do. And me getting the emperor tell you that. But the emperor don't have a pussy. And the emperor has not consulted with them daughter. So while the emperor give you the formula, that is the formula for disaster. She's a queen. She can't walk out anytime. Remember that. She ain't your bitch. She can't give us chat the same way you give her chat. Know that. One more. Yeah, shark. The fuck you think you're playing with? You think the emperor's daughter was going to be so submissive and take every blood clot thing? She had the emperor daughter. She will go blood clot war for what she want. Know that. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Goodbye.